Hey you guys, we are in Omaha and we're headed west. And today we're gonna take you guys inside the Henry Doorly Zoo here in Omaha. Be right back. Okay, here we go, guys. Omaha's Henry Doorly Zoo and Aquarium. It's been hot and sweltery the past week, and now today it's chilly and rainy, but the sun's supposed to come out, so stay tuned.
Oh, almost tipped over.
What are you doing?
I'm taking it. You don't want to do?
Will I need it?
Probably not.
Okay, we're in. We are in. Yeah, we should find a map somewhere.
I know, that'd be nice. They gotta be somewhere.
Okay, for you guys that don't know, Henry Doorly Zoo is a world-renowned zoo. This is a desert biosphere, so where they will replicate the desert. I've never been in here before. And boom, we're back in Arizona. Bat-eared fox. Okay, so this.
There it is, sleeping.
Oh yeah. Is he dead or is he sleeping?
I'm sure he's sleeping.
So apparently this bat-eared fox is common in Namibia. Eclipse bringer. Right there.
Oh, he's right there.
All right, now it's starting to feel like desert.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a spicy-tailed skink, which I cannot see him. What do you mean you held a skink?
There was a local author in Arizona that came to our school, and he brought in the skink. So we're in the Sonoran Desert now, Javelina.
All right, we're home now. Looks like the start of a saguaro growing over there.
Mm-hmm.
For those that don't know, saguaros have the arms, but yeah, there's several saguaros here.
Yeah, the young ones.
Young ones, yeah, they typically don't get their first arm until around 75 years old. Okay, so we're going to go in the kingdoms of the night. That's still here at the desert, but it was outside the exit.
Let them know that this is the largest indoor desert biome in the world.
Nice. Okay, apparently there's bats down here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but I'm sure you'll hear Lisa screaming.
Bats don't freak me out.
You don't?
No.
Yeah, you guys aren't going to be able to see anything. Hubbard Gorilla Valley. What is that in the corner there?
Oh, it's a weird bird.
Hi there. You like the camera, don't you?
You are trying to be You're like, let me out of here.
Let's go see. He likes the camera. Hey, slow down. No running. All right, there he is. Having a salad for lunch. There we go.
Silverback.
Silverback. What kind were these?
I don't know. I think it's your moms and babies. That's a little one.
I know, you know what that looks like? That looks like hair. Oh, there he goes. Oh, it's tasting the baby.
I don't know. We feel like there should be more maps. We haven't seen any maps, not to carry or even on boards, you know, posted around the park. We have no idea where we're at right now.
What we've missed.
Yeah, what we've missed, and you know, they should have
A crown lemur, black and white ruffled lemurs. Right?
outside of every exit, because you go in one side of the building and come out some other
Location, yeah.
location. We have no idea where we're at. So just a recommendation to Henry Doorly Zoo. Put some maps around, or hand some maps out. Okay, we're hungry. We need some sustenance here. So we're in the Treehouse restaurant here. Most of their cafes are closed, and we are starving for lunch. So I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so we forgot to film it. We destroyed a couple of cheeseburgers and fries, and because we
Told them we were hungry.
yeah, yeah, we're starving. We were starving. Now we're feeling better here. And look at this. We got some monkeys right out here. So we've only scratched the surface of this. We're gonna see the aquarium next, and then elephants, then everything.
And you guys are not going to see all this stuff. But if you ever get to Omaha, you definitely have to come here. I had no idea what a remarkable zoo this is. This is just fantastic.
Okay, guys, we're going in the Liad jungle. All right, it's feeling like we're getting in the forest here. Rainforest, the jungle. Yes. Okay, we're on a rope bridge here. Whoa, 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 whoa. See these guys, these monkeys here? Down here. Oh yeah, we got the waterfall too. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. Francois Langier monkeys. Who makes these names up? Do something. What are they paying you for? Down below here we have the one of those purple-haired staffers.
Log and its head sticking out over there.
There's a yellow anaconda. One down there too. Sorry, can't get enough of the monkeys. All the different kinds of monkeys. Down here we have the more common black-tailed, black-haired staffer. Scott Aquarium. Very colorful. this is kind of cool. Wow. Kind of a nice feeling. Butterflies like flitting around. Huh. Never been in a butterfly house. He said when you leave, make sure you check yourself so that you aren't taking any hitchhikers with you. Very cool. Love this. Whew. Okay, that was a fun day. It turned out to be a beautiful day, as you can see here.
An exhausting day.
An exhausting day, yeah. 5.5 hours, and boy, that is a wonderful zoo.
I can understand why it's one of the top 5 of the world.
It is, yeah, it is. So yeah, what was your favorite part of it?
I don't know. I kept on going someplace. I'm like, oh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. But I guess if I have to narrow it down, the aquarium and the rainforest are probably my 2 favorite areas. They were pretty remarkable. The whole thing was remarkable, but I really like those.
Yeah. I thought the desert would be a little more impressive, but I guess maybe because we've lived in the desert. Maybe that's
true. Yeah, it
but it was still cool. It was still cool. But yeah, I would agree. Those are probably my 2 favorite too.
The butterfly house was really cool. I've always wanted to go in one.
Surprised me.
And never have, and that really surprised me. That was pretty neat. I like that. That
really surprised me.
Really pretty with all the butterflies.
Just flitting around, just so light and airy, and just
so many of them.
Yeah. And that was where the GoPro battery died, which now we got back here a little bit ago, and I charged it up enough to do this. But anyway, we're here in Omaha. Did we show them the campground?
I don't think so.
Just look at the campground here. This is what's it called?
Walnut Creek?
Walnut Lake.
Walnut Lake.
City Park in Papillion, Nebraska. It's a suburb of Omaha. There's part of the lake down there. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The green and just the rolling hills in here, and campsites is all first come first serve too, and it's $16 a night. $16 for electric. No water. We have to. But
well, they have places you can get water and a dump station.
Yeah, they do. But anyway, this video is probably getting long. Love you guys. Share this with like-minded people. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when we publish. Comment. Please comment. We love your comments. So anyway, we'll see you in a few days.
Join us on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye-bye.